Hey guys, what's up? Just want to jump on here real quick to let you know that, I got an email this morning, or a few hours ago at least, or maybe it was yesterday, I haven't checked my emails in a while, from YouTube, for a change on their partnership program. If you don't know what YouTube partnership is, it's basically what allows you to upload, what allows you to be eligible for monetization, YouTube, and it helps creators create. Basically, the partnership has changed, and now only channels that get 4,000 minutes of watch time per month are eligible for monetization. I do not reach that threshold, so I'm no longer allowed to make money on YouTube. Which means there is no ads playing on my videos, and there's no sponsored stuff on my channel. So, thanks YouTube.